So this here, guys, could very well be a filmmaker's dream phone. It's the fabled Red Hydrogen 1, and it can only be used on the Verizon network. So let's see what this thing is all about. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and thanks to Verizon and Red, take a look what has arrived here in the studio today. The brand new Red Hydrogen 1 smartphone. Get hyped, get excited! Now, if you guys don't know who Red is a digital cinema camera maker who set an industry standard with their cameras. They're used in major Hollywood movies, TV shows, and so on. Fun fact, chances are your favorite show or movie was shot on a Red camera. They do some really cool stuff, and obviously being a filmmaker myself, I was like drooling in excitement when I found out they were making a phone. I'm always on the hunt for like a game changer, and this could very well be one. Specs are crazy on paper, so let's get to checking this thing out. Okay guys, so here we are in the studio with the Red Hydrogen 1. So when you first get this phone in the mail, you are going to be greeted with a spec sheet because this is a very unique phone that is unlike anything that you have ever seen before. So first off, you have your 4-view display, which is arguably the main feature of this phone, and it's so cool because you can actually watch content back in 3D like movies without glasses. We also have surround sound, which obviously goes without saying, modular connectivity, which I am very excited about. This could be a game changer because of the fact that you might be able to attach like a Red camera sensor. You might be able to attach your camera lenses, existing camera lenses, to this phone. That could be a game changer for content creation. I'm really looking forward to that when they come out in 2019. Next, we have our 4-view capture, which is basically 3D photos, 3D videos that you can watch back on the 4-view display. There's also industrial design. This thing is made out of titanium, so I can imagine this thing probably is a little bit heavy and it maybe feels like a brick. That's just my guess. I haven't held this thing yet. There's also all the specs that you could ever imagine over here on the bottom that you could want to nerd out to. So let's pop this thing open. I know you guys want to see this phone and not hear me talk, so let's open this up. And my goodness, this might actually be a limited edition. Over here, we actually have a coin, it looks like, a Red Media Machine Hydrogen coin. Very cool. This thing has a bit of weight to it also as well. You can hear it when it hits the table over there. That's sweet. There's also a little note over here. I'm proud to share this device with you, the first part of our new hydrogen system. We've also included an additional 128 gig micro SD card and a limited edition hydrogen coin. Very cool. So you have this micro SD card over here, which actually gives you 256 gigs out of the box because the phone already has 128 gigs. That is sweet. So let's open this up over here. Let's get to the main attraction and I will show you guys this phone right here, and it feels very heavy for a phone box. Red Media Machine Hydrogen right over here on the top, hydrogen on the side. This actually looks like the Red camera modules already, so that's a nice little touch. Pop it open. Hydrogen right on the top. There it is, guys, the phone. You got your phone grips on the side, on the back. You have the beautiful phone. Just holding it, you can feel the weight. You can feel how premium this thing feels. I feel like I could drop it and nothing's gonna happen to it. I wouldn't try it because this thing is expensive, but you know, it just feels like a true premium phone. I really like that, and this is just my first impression. I haven't even like turned it on yet. You have a little camera shutter button over here. You have your phone grips to hold the phone over here on the side. You have your Red logo on the back. You have your modular connectivity pins over here, and you have the camera, which actually looks like a face over here on the back. Pretty cool. Let's get to doing the rest of this. I'll show you guys a little bit more on the phone in a bit. But here's our instruction manuals. We have our AC adapter over here. We have our USB-C cable over here, USB-C to USB-C. Just hook it up in here and you probably have a good solid fast charge over there. So here it is, guys, the Red Hydrogen phone in all of its glory. I'm gonna be doing some cool things to show this phone off, and obviously Verizon's network is really great for streaming content, and it's just like the perfect match for the Hydrogen 1. So I'm gonna go out and show you guys all the cool things that this phone has to offer. Look out for a review coming soon. Alrighty guys, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. This Red Hydrogen one though guys is a beast of a phone, and I really have to thank Red and Verizon for the opportunity to show this thing off to you guys. This really feels like the first piece of a big puzzle, and I'm really excited to see where this thing goes. So stay tuned for my review coming soon, and until the next video, I will catch you guys later. Peace!